Portugal is a beautiful and diverse country full of history, vibrant culture, stunning landscape, and delicious cuisine. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient cities, lounging on golden beaches, hiking through dramatic cliffs, or tasting world class wines, Portugal offers something for everyone. Here's a quick overview of what makes Portugal special. Top cities to visit: Lisbon, the hilly capital known for its pastel colored buildings, trams, fado music, and historical neighborhoods like Alfama and Bairro Alto. Porto, famous for Fort Wine, the Riviera Riverside District, and stunning bridges like Dom Luis I. Centra, a magical town filled with palaces, castles, and lush greenery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Evora, a walled city with Roman ruins, a bone chapel, and rich Alentejo culture. Uh, Ponchal, the Madeira and the Ponta Delgada Azores, ideal for nature lovers, whale watchers, and volcanic wonders. Top attraction: Hieronymus Monastery and Belim Tower at Lisbon, the Oro Valley wine region that's near the Porto, Fena Palace in Centra that's near Lisbon, Vindagil Cave in Algarve beaches that's south of Lisbon, in Lagos, Azores geothermal springs, Madeira Livada walks and cliffside views. Food highlights: pastel de nata, custard tarts, bacalhau, salted cod prepared many ways, franciscana, a decadent sandwich from Porto, peri peri chicken, benjo verde, and port wine. Travel tips: currency euro, best time to visit April to June, springtime, or September, October, fall or autumn time. Language: Portuguese, but English is widely understood in tourist areas. Transport: trains are reliable. Car rental is best for remote areas like Alentejo or the Algarve.